Alright, what's up, folks? I apologize for the crap video quality. It's late at night, but another story has broken, unfortunately, about stupid fillings here in Thailand. And no sooner than I start talking about this, I see more and more of this stuff. And this doesn't mean that, algorithms are more or less pointing this out. This is like literally what's happening, based on things I personally see myself. But I am sick and tired of people that come here and just do the stupidest stuff. They humiliate all of us. Me. I'm an American. But here, like today, no sooner than I talk about the story about the Swiss doctor or the Swiss guy that, had the elephant sanctuary kick the Thai people last week. This breaks out in the same area, Phuket. Just to be fair, I want to talk, this is Phuket. Phuket is southern Thailand. It's a very touristy hotspot, probably the number one tourist destination in my opinion in Thailand. But Phuket has a lot of trouble. But with that said, guys, this dude, let me just break this down. 2 New Zealanders in hot water after assaulting a Thai officer in Phuket. And this is I'm gonna run a short TikTok of the Thai news. You're not gonna understand it, but you'll get the point.
ไปดูเหตุการณ์ที่เป็นประเด็นระหว่างนักท่องเที่ยวกับตำรวจในพื้นที่ที่สภ.ฉลองจังหวัดภูเก็ตนะครับในระหว่างที่ผู้บังคับหมู่สภ.ฉลองเขาออกตรวจพื้นที่รับผิดชอบอำนวยความสะดวกให้กับประชาชนที่ถนนเจ้าฟ้าตะวันออกหน้าสภ.เลยปรากฏว่ามีชาวต่างชาติ2คนขี่รถจักรยานยนต์2คันคือขี่มาแบบผิดกฎหมายขี่รถไม่ชิดขอบทางด้านซ้ายแล้วก็ใช้ความเร็วสูงในเขตชุมชนเจ้าหน้าที่จึงเรียกให้หยุดรถแต่ทั้งสองไม่หยุดแล้วก็พยายามที่จะขี่หลบหนีนะครับทางตำรวจก็เลยต้องขับรถตามปรากฏว่าพอไปถึงแล้วทั้ง2คนที่เป็นชาวต่างชาตินะครับแสดงอาการเอะอะโวยวายไม่พอใจการทำงานของเจ้าหน้าที่ทางตำรวจก็เลยถ่ายคลิปเอาไว้ชาวต่างชาติ2คนเนี่ยเข้ามาปัดโทรศัพท์แล้วก็พยายามจะเข้ามาทำร้ายควบคุมตัวตำรวจด้วยนะครับจนมีการยื้อแย่งอาวุธปืนแต่เหตุการณ์นั้นมันจบลงด้วยการที่ว่าปืนลั่นเจ้าหน้าที่ก็เลยต้องเข้าไปช่วยระงับเหตุการณ์นะครับจนกระทั่งสามารถควบคุมตัวทั้ง2คนไว้ได้ตำรวจได้รับบาดเจ็บไปเล็กน้อยด้วยนะครับแต่ว่าไม่เป็นอะไรมากโชคดี
So guys, you saw the pictures. There's videos that are really hard to find, especially on TikTok, which TikTok normally pulls these videos down pretty fast, but you can find these videos on YouTube. I'm not going to put it on my video, but if you want to Google this and see further, this is obscene. To me, this situation, if it would have been in America, this dude would have been snuffed out and his friend. Basically, these 2 dudes were caught speeding by a Thai police officer, which, listen, people speed here, but for a Thai police officer to chase you down for speeding, you had to have been really speeding, seriously. And then he tried to bribe him, and then they got into a fight. They took his gun. He gave the police officer's gun to his, they have the same last name. I don't know if they're brothers, they're related. They're obviously related. And you see from the picture, the dude holding the phone. But he had this dude, he beat the crap out of him, had him in a chokehold. This police officer tried to bribe the police officer when he finally caught up to him. And this is unreal. The incident occurred when a traffic officer from Chalong police station, named Somsak Nulayat, forgive me, as 2 foreign men, later identified as 36-year-old, I won't say the names, and 38-year-old, blank, same last name, to stop at a checkpoint after they were riding motorcycles at high speed. The foreigners fled the checkpoint. They kept going, prompting him to chase them down. He managed to stop them outside of a noodle shop, and they attempted to bribe him, but the officer refused, which means it was pretty bad. He refused and recorded their actions with his mobile phone. Unexpectedly, the guy grabbed the officer's phone while he was videotaping this, physically assaulted him until he fell to the ground, and this dude was twice his size. It was 2 guys, to be fair. A scuffle ensued between the guy and the officer over his gun, which resulted in a shot being fired. Fortunately, the gunshot did not hit anyone in the area. Like, listen, all officers don't even carry guns here. They don't. Some of them do, some of them don't. But the fact that an officer has a gun, that's a man to be taken serious. Period. You need to understand that. I'm so sick and tired of this shit. I listen, the longer I'm here, the more I can't stand fillets, dude. The guy managed to get the gun and handed it to his buddy. I won't say the names. A video recorded by a witness showed the guy restraining the officer on the ground. If you watch the video, you can see him just like wailing on him, beat the crap out of him. The witness kept asking them to stop, but to no avail. He was rushed to the hospital with injuries to his finger and leg, suffered only minor injuries, and has since recovered. A Facebook page has reported that he this officer forgave the two guys after getting an apology and a gift basket from them. Think about this for a minute. Think about this for a minute. This is how people are here and why it angers me to no end. But it sparked a controversy on Thai social media. Obviously so. Citizens demanded legal action against them and urged police to stop spoiling foreign tourists. And I totally agree. Do not give these fuckers a break. This shit is unacceptable. You know, I get so sick and tired of hearing these damn stories. These assholes that come here and they just think they can treat and act however they want. Listen, if you would have done that in America, you would have been shot, and both of you would have been shot. You wouldn't have been tased. You wouldn't be like get this Facebook apology group, even though the police officer has forgiven your ass. We don't forgive your ass. I don't forgive your ass. The Thai people don't forgive your ass. Like, how dare you come here and treat these people this way? You can say all you want. Oh, you know, listen, the system is very different here. It's no secret about that. But it's very fair. I've had interactions with police myself. I've been stopped at checkpoints myself. It happens randomly. It's just, you know, I'm prepared. I'm gonna take an occasional L. But when I get stopped as a filang with no license, I get a ticket. It's 500 baht, which is about $13, $14. I can go pay it at the police station and I'm good. It's not a big deal. Police have always been very respectful and kind to me. Very. This is unreal. The superintendent of the police station, such and such, dismissed the information reported by the Facebook page, shout out to that, and insisted they were held in police custody with no bail. Shout out to that. They also insist that the police officer did not accept any gift basket, and they pressed 5 charges against them, including a laundry list of things. But this is really what's disgusting. Like, you can't, God damn it. Why I get so mad is because people have to think as a collective here. We have to think as a collective. We all do. I have to think as a collective. Like, I'm not hall monitor. I don't represent all farangs, like phalangs. And some phalangs don't represent me. But the Thai people think as a collective. And the people that come here think as a collective with the Thai people, especially people who want to stay, integrate, and respect and uphold the Thai traditions and culture. People basically like myself who would never do something like this. Listen, I would take my beating on the side of the road, have my day in court, hopefully. You know, it may not go as planned, but there is no excuse for this. This is unreal to me. I can't believe that people would come here and do this. And the reason I'm calling these pieces of shit out, and I'm gonna say it. I know the media can't say it, but I can. These pieces of shit that would come here and just throw so much heat and like bring the heat down on everything, on all of like tourism, if you will. Like, you literally are fucking everyone's life up outside of yourself by doing shit like this. You are literally fucking up my life because you are bringing the heat down on people that come here and visit. Whether or not you want to admit this, you can say, well, it's an isolated incident, but man, when they have so many of these, what do you think is going to happen? This is really unreal. And the fact that he actually even forgave the guy. The people had to step up and say, hey, I just want you to understand the mindset of people here. The people said, hey, no, it's not okay. And to be fair, it's not okay. This asshole is going to prison, and his brother or whatever, his relative. They're gonna get fined a ton of money. But the truth is like, how dare you put your hands on law enforcement here? Like, as I said, as an American, man, if I'd have done something like this, man, I'd have been shot. And I understand this, but I have never been treated disrespectfully by a police officer that, like, honestly, like, I've had a few that were a little bit, arrogant and stuff here and there, but nothing I couldn't quietly diffuse and comply with. You know what I'm saying? But for it to come to this, to where you think you can just beat and lay hands on a foreign police officer, what the hell is wrong with you? And to be fair, I want to apologize on behalf of all Farangs. I do, to the Thai people. The Thai people deserve better than this. They do. The Thai people deserve much better than this. They should not stand by and allow a Farang to come here and act this way. I'm not saying bring the hammer on everyone, but I'm saying, like, for real, as an American, as a Farang, Thailand, I can't even imagine this happening to me unless, like, I just completely was out of line. I feel privileged to be here. It's been an amazing experience. The Thai people are the greatest people I've ever met, ever dealt with, even the police. The police are, not, like, seriously, it's unbelievable to me. It's embarrassing. It's humiliating. And this shit right here, to me, this takes the cake. Even more than last week, which I'm surprised because I thought last week was bad. But you can see the picture, dude holding a cop's gun while he's got the dude on the ground in a choke. Like, literally. I'll show you one more time. There's my laptop. Look at it. Look at the picture. You see it? There it is. Oh yeah, he's got, look at that. Yeah. Man, I hope your booty hole gets all reamed out when you go to Thai prison. Honestly, this is the shit that's so embarrassing and humiliating on all of us. And we do take it personal. I take it personal. Even though I'm not from New Zealand, I'm still a Farang. I'm still a visitor. I'm still a tourist. I'm on the same tourist visa his ass probably is. But to come here and act this way is just uncalled for. It's unacceptable. And to the Thai people, if you understand what I'm saying, do not let this slide. If a man assaults, especially takes a police officer's gun, this fool is lucky to be alive. Both of them are. Unbelievable to me. With that said, thank you so much. Like, seriously, Kapkun Kap, I love you guys. I love you Thai people. I love you good Farangs. I meet so many wonderful Farangs here from all over the world that would never imagine doing something like this. This is why I don't like Phuket. No offense to Phuket. Phuket to me is it's an abomination. I'm not saying I was gonna say a word. To me, Phuket is like, it's Sin City. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot that goes down there. It's just not for me, you know? But with that said, this is crazy. This story is absolutely insane. So I want to talk about this. Let me know what you guys think about this. And please tell me, if you plan on coming here, are you going to act this way? How dare these dudes, the balls on these guys. But with that said, I love y'all. I appreciate all the love and support on my videos, and I'll see you on the next one, man. Don't do this shit.